The next portion of the Aquinas Academy, what we're actually going to take a look at is we are going to take a look at the Office 365 account. This Office 365 account does give us quick and easy access to everything it is that we need at Aquinas. I am just going to go over a couple of key items so that this way we make sure that we're all on the same page. First and foremost, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our OneDrive account. Click on the waffle, and from there you'll click on OneDrive. Once you click on OneDrive, it'll bring up this page right here. This page right here is loading for us. This is our main access point for everything it is that we need to do at Aquinas. We're going to walk through how to be able to set up our OneDrive to be a successful student. Okay, so here we go. So in this case, the student has set up most of their account. This is how you have to do it. So you can see they have ELA, Fine Arts, LOTE, Math, PE, Science, Social Studies, Theology. These are your main courses while you're here at Aquinas. And this is, you'll note, not ELA 7 or ELA 9. This is ELA. Why? Because inside of ELA, our English Language Arts, then we will have all of our individual folders. And these carry over year to year. This is very important with regard to the capstone project at the end of senior year, that you have access to all of these materials so that you can get to the items that you need to get to on a regular basis. And you can go back and visit previous years that you've done work so that you can get access to this on a regular basis. The first step in order to be able to do this is you're going to go to your new. And once you're in new, you're going to go to folder. And in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to create our ELA 11 folder because we're entering our new year, our junior year, and we're going to hit create. And what this has successfully created is our ELA 11 folder. And you can use that even if you're just new to Aquinas and nothing is here. We can create all of our new folders the same way. Just click new folder and then type in the course. Now again, we're not like typing in the individual course, we're typing in the overall course. So for social studies, all right, I may have Global 9 honors, but in 11th grade, which I'm taking right now, it's going to be U.S. History Government, USHG. So then we're going to hit create there. And you can see this is where I itemize each one of the classes individually. But for what I'm doing, I'm mostly going to do this as one large piece here in my files with all of the individual classes, and then each class inside of the main folder. Why is this important? Well, it helps keep us organized. So therefore, if I'm working in my ELA 11 class, I'm going to create my documents here. How do I create a document? Again, I'm going to click on new, but this time I'm going to create a Word document. That Word document pops over in here. I'm going to be able to then from here be able to change the name of my document. It's very important we keep track of the names of documents. Renaming a document, again, very easy. I go over to where the drop down is next to where it says document, and I can change this to my summer, let's call it the summer reading paper 2021. All right, and from here I can create my new paper. All right, and I'll be able to write and type that paper as need be. The nice thing is if this is something that I do need to share with another student, say a student and I are working on this paper together, I can click share right here. And from typing the share, I can type the name of that student. In this case, I'm going to name a teacher. I'm going to name Mr. Marche. All right, and I can click right here. I can send this to Mr. Marche, and I say, hey, can you? All right. And then I can go ahead and I can click send right here, and that will send to Mr. Marche. And so when he is going to look at this, he'll be able to access it, and he'll be able to also type in the paper the same time I am. This is a really important part of understanding how kind of everything comes together and how my life as a student is really an interconnected piece. The other nice thing here is now when I go into my ELA 11 folder, I can clearly find the paper that I'm looking for. You need to make sure that you are constantly updating how all of your papers are labeled, so this way you can find them easily so that you can be a successful student, especially when you go into your senior year and reach that capstone paper. All right, so this is the basics on accessing OneDrive, creating our OneDrive folders, creating our individual classes within our OneDrive folders, and creating a document. And this will work for any document, whether it's a PowerPoint, whether it's Excel, or whether it's a Word document, on renaming it and making sure that it's in the right folder. The next video will be furthermore into Office 365.